Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to perform filtering tasks by status on Asana. This is your complete 2025 guide. The first thing you need to do is log into your Asana account. This is the gateway to managing all your tasks and projects. Once you're in, go to the main dashboard. This is where you'll find all your projects and tasks. Now that we've done that, the next step is to navigate to the specific project you want to filter. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of your projects. Click on the one you want to work with. We do this because, in Asana, filtering tasks by status is project-specific, meaning you can't filter tasks across multiple projects at once. Next up, you'll see all the tasks related to the project you've selected. Look towards the top of your screen, and you'll find a few options to sort your tasks. Click on the option that says Filter By. This helps us because it opens a drop-down menu with various filtering options, including filtering by task status, which we are interested in today. Once the drop-down menu is open, you'll see options like incomplete tasks, completed tasks, and all tasks. Choose the one that suits your needs. Let me explain why this matters. Filtering by status helps you streamline your workflow, focus on what's important, and easily track your project's progress. After you've selected your preferred filter, Asana will automatically update the task list to reflect your choice. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is scanning through all the tasks in your project and showing only the ones that match the status you've chosen. It's a neat feature that saves you the time and effort of sifting through tasks manually. That's it. You've now successfully filtered tasks by status on Asana. Remember, you can always change the filter or remove it entirely if your needs change. And with that, we've come to the end of our tutorial. Now you know how to perform filtering tasks by status on Asana, a skill that will help you stay organized, productive, and on top of your work. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.